Jacob, what are the basic components of the owner-builder program, and why should somebody consider that?
So the biggest thing, I believe, is saving some money, especially now with interest rates growing. So acting as your own general contractor, you're not paying somebody the management fees, you're doing it yourself. So you're basically paying yourself a salary. How HomeWrights gets paid is just through a consulting fee. It's per square footage, and that doesn't change throughout the build.
So regardless of the cost of materials going up or down, your fee to be the consultant and coach these people through doesn't change.
Correct.
It's very predictable.
Correct. It's very predictable. It's upfront. We tell you before you start, before you sign a service agreement, and that's not going to change. To be successful as an owner builder, I think there's three main things. It's organization, problem solving, and decision making. Out here on the job site every day, you're going to make decisions. You're going to make 10, 20, 30 decisions a day. You're going to need to be organized, keeping your files in track, and we can help you with that as well. And then problem solving, there's going to be problems. In every project there's problems, and it's not about dwelling on that problem, it's overcoming it and making a decision.
How many hours a week would I expect to put in over the duration of the building process?
I typically tell people 20 hours. It can be more, it can be less. I think if you're a high functioning individual that's organized, can problem solve and make decisions, it can be significantly less than 20 hours.
Tell us about communication skills. How important are they in this process?
It's very important. It's like in everyday life, you're dealing with multiple trades. There's over 400 pairs of hands that touch a house throughout the construction process. So all those people, they're not going to all communicate the same. They're not going to all understand the same, even down to some like texting better, some like phone calls better, some like emails better. It's just staying on top of everybody and finding the ways these trades and contractors like to communicate. You have to be comfortable talking about money. You have to be comfortable talking about problems and issues, and also just enjoying the time and enjoying meeting new people, because many of our trades are very proud of what they do and they enjoy their work and they do a great job.
Some people might not have the time or energy or interest in being their own builder. What options does HomeWrights offer?
So if you don't have the time, if you don't have the interest, we do a turnkey program where we will be a traditional builder for you and build the house for you, where you're involved in the sense of picking selections, paint colors, tile colors, picking the plans, making the plans your own, but we'll project manage it for you and manage it the day-to-day aspects.
Why would somebody really benefit from the owner builder program in terms of saving money and getting what they want?
So in terms of saving money and getting what they want, they cut out the middleman. Of course, it takes hard work and dedication, but you're saving that money that you would pay a traditional builder to project manage the job for you. If you have the aptitude, if you have the time, you can do it, and we're there to help you along the way.
So in essence, you coach and guide and consult all the way through the process.
We do, starting from scratch all the way to the end, getting your certificate of occupancy and moving in. We're there holding your hand, helping you throughout the whole process.